Freedom Total Life Care House allows you to enjoy all the independence and privacy of your existing home with added accessibility, mobility, optional levels of care with the world's most innovative aged care technologies. With the added benefit of your very own Freedom Lifestyle Coordinator to assist you with all your care and support options now or in the future. Freedom Total Life Care houses are a direct response to a growing call from aged Queenslanders for aged-specific designed houses, with the added ability to have peace of mind that there is somebody monitoring their care and safety 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. As the owner of a Freedom Total Life Care house, you will also be eligible for all the unique continuum of care advantages that come with being part of the wider Queensland Freedom family. A Freedom Total Life Care house guarantees you all the independence, privacy and living space you enjoy in your existing home, with all the added advantages of greater accessibility, mobility, flexibility and freedom care. A Freedom Total Life Care house is freedom and peace of mind for you and your family now and in the future.